Hello little artist. Welcome back to Study Class channel. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. At first, we took a black marker. Now, we start the drawing. First, we draw a straight line. Next, we draw a curve. Parallelly, we draw another straight line. And join this too. Here, our roof drawing is completed. Now we draw two straight lines parallelly. And this is the wall of the house. Then we join two straight lines. And parallelly, we draw a big straight line. Next, we draw a rectangle shape to draw the door. Here, we draw a square shape to draw the window. Then, we divide it. Now, we draw a kitchen chimney on the top of the house. Next, we draw a big tree beside the house. This is the root of the tree. Here, we draw a sun using circle shape. Now, it's time to coloring. We use red color to color the roof, the top of the house. This is blue color. Here, we use blue to color the wall of the house. Blue color. Blue color. Blue color. We use yellow color to color the door of the house. Green color. Green color. We use pink color to color the window. Pink color. Brown color. Yellow color. Here, we use green color to color the tree which beside the house. Green color. This is brown color. We use yellow color to color the sun. Now, our drawing is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.